Hello everyone, here's a short video of how you can set up the storybook. Storybook is widely used for style guide. You can find more information at the Storybook official website. To start a storybook, you need to initial a project. So here we're going to make a directory called storybook, and as you can see, you should go to the story, like storybook, and then without the initial the package.json, the storybook official guide will not work. So what we're going to do is actually initial the project. It's called storybook. Sorry, it's actually for a library, so we'll call it storybook library now, lib for short, and version 1 description. So storybook for demo, the style component library, so just say style library for short. And the box is index, yeah, that's fine. Now author is me, license, well, it's public. Private, no, that's it. Okay, so by initial that, if you go to storybook, you'll see a package that's JSON, got some basic informations. What you need to do next is actually following the guide on the storybook. So go to storybook. There's a storybook for React. So just do that, just to be safe. I copy paste everything. So run that. Okay, it's running. Great, it works. Let's get the storybook running. Storybook. You'll use port 6006 by default, as it will show very soon. It's building. And yeah, it runs. So that's all the storybook default stuff. You'll have a bottom with text, and that's it. So if you go to the actual code, you will see the stories. There's the stories, and it actually, oh, okay, I'll deal with that later. You will actually say, okay, the demo bottom and welcomes are actually from storybook by itself, but in the real world, you actually need to import bottom and welcome to actually present in it. So that's the emoji you see, and also that's the hello text. That's it for now. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll provide the GitHub repo so you can actually try it out yourself. Thank you for watching.